how to turn on or turn off swipe to call or text in the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then at the top here, tap on the More button. Next, from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Then we go down and tap on Other Call Settings. In here, tap on Swipe to call or text. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel. In here at the top, you can also tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off. In here, say in phone or contacts, swipe a contact or number, right to call them, or left to write them a text message. So here, if I go back to my phone app, so in contacts, I can swipe like this to text, or I can swipe this way to make a call. So we go to contacts and swipe this way to make a call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.